My name is Yelena Gaeta.
My name is Brian Vasquez, and this is our project, Aqua Gate.
So the problem that we are trying to solve here is to ensure this is a safe way for boat to travel underneath the bridge. So we have to make sure that the bridge opens up on time and that the bridge isn't closes on them and cause casualties. Go.
So in this project, we use Raspberry Pi, RCB, LCD, servos, and ultrasonic sensors. So the way it works, it uses these two servo sensors, Margaret, to make sure there's actually something there. So this one is going to trigger this one, and if both of them read something, it's going to open the bridge. And there is also another one that is going to make sure the bridge doesn't close if something is under there. So let's show it. One sensor, it doesn't open it. The two sensors read something, it's going to start to open the bridge. Lowers that and then opens the bridge. So if I have the boat over here, the sensor is going to feel that something is there, so it's not going to close. So right now, if I leave it there, it's never going to close. So let me take it away. Here it starts opening the bridge. We also have the manual control. So what it does, when you turn in manual, it lets you control everything by itself. So we can change the RGB lights to red, yellow, green. You can open the bridge. You can close the bridge. And then finally we have the emergency button. So you can click that button even if you're in automatic mode. What it's going to do is just going to shut down the code. So it's going to stop it from working. And that's the physical demonstration.
Okay, some challenges that we faced during this project is creating the manual control itself, especially making sure to keep track of the bridge's status. So if it was open in manual control and you change it to automatic, it will still keep the status of the bridge that the bridge is open. So I think that was one of the biggest struggles, is even creating it to go from manual to automatic and from automatic to manual. And then some of the feature enhancements that we can do is, I think, adding an auditory system, so increasing sound, adding sound to make sure that listeners can be warned beforehand, like the bridge is open, like don't go, it's not safe to pass above. And then also adding more sensors here to make sure that it keeps track to see if there are cars underneath the bridge, so double check, like, okay, if there's no cars there, it's safe to open or something like that. But right now we have it as to where the boat is the priority. Thank you.